Hey, hey, hey.
I want it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
How do you think you open it?
Oh my God.
Like that?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll keep trying. Do you want help?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Come here, let me see. Don't worry about Benny. Look, right here. No, Benny, don't touch the camera either. Alright, here. Look, now it's open. Oh.
Oops.
What's in there? Gotta reach in. What is that? What is that?
What is it?
Turn it around and look. What is that?
My pirate.
A pirate hat?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. Can I see it? Let me see.
For a pirate.
It's for a pirate ship?
Yeah.
Because you're a pirate?
Yeah.
Isn't that nice of Granny T to send that? What do you say to Granny T? Say it loud. Thank you. Aww. That's so nice of her, huh?
I want to cut it.
You want to cut it open?
Yeah.
You want to open it?
What is it?
Oh. All right, let me see. Let me see. No, put it back on. I want to see. Can I see?
What?
Wow. Can you put it? Yes, you see me. Can you put it on? I want to see you. No, Benny can't see on the plastic. Let me see, Benny. All right, you want help? Hi, Benny. No, you can't see on the plastic. Give me that. All right, let me see.
Rabbit.
Oh, Mama's having a hard time here. Hold on. There, let me see. Now say cheese. Look. Look at me. Oh. Where are you going? There you are. No, I want to see. Look up. Look up. I want to see. Let me see. Go back. All right.